We're back. Get ready for an action-packed, super slow, light wind race. This is the Poplar Island race with HHSA, starting in Herring Bay at the A buoy, probably going around that first green channel marker, then to C, and finish at A. That's the short course, and I'm sure that's the one we'll be sailing today. The winds are super light, so another action-packed race for y'all. Maybe you can gain something from it. I don't know what that might be, but I'll try to do my best. I seem to do well when nobody shows up, so got that going for me. Well, just had to start. I forgot to film it, and then we've been sailing. I've just been trying to keep it dialed in with the light wind and the speed here. I had a pretty good start. I started at the pin, and then now we're just like navigating through just like a group of fishing boats. There's like probably 10 boats out here. So passed through the first two, right between them. I'm right behind Blue Bayou, maybe about 75 yards, and yeah, just trying to go fast and record when I can. Cleared all the fishing boats now. I'm coming up on the green, the first green mark. Serendipity's behind me a little bit, gaining on them, so I'm just trying to keep my speed, catch up to these guys. This sucks. Just been like hyper focused trying to sail in this light wind and getting frustrated. It was good for a while there off Holland Point, and then we passed those fishing boats and I hit like 4 knots. It was good sailing, and then just got a little closer to the eastern shore. I'd say we're like maybe a mile off Poplar. Yeah, it's just completely dead. Oh my gosh. I put the bimini up because it's getting hot. And we're literally drifting backwards. We're literally drifting backwards at like half a knot. All right, well, here's what we're working with. The race has been shortened. It's now gonna be finishing at the green mark on the edge of the channel, of the shipping channel. We were becalmed for about an hour, hour and a half. Then the wind filled in from the south, very light. And I'm just going wing and wing here because I don't want to. I'd probably like try to broad reach or beam reach, maybe to just make a faster tack towards the finish. But we got these freighters coming up. Ever since like 2 p.m. there's been a procession. This is it. I got to finish by the required time. I've got a preventer on the jibs, or the main, so it's not flogging, and I got the jib pulled out with my West Marine boat hook. Come on. Just finished the race. I got the gun because I'm the most ornery out of the bunch. Putting bays behind me now, and now that I finished at like 5 o'clock, 1700, or maybe a minute or two after that. And now Put-in Bay has 90 minutes, so now they got to stay out here longer to finish this race. But I got the gun. I was too busy just enjoying the moment. That's my first, I'd say, real win, although everyone dropped out because there was no wind. I was just the most annoying person out here, so thumbs up. Yeah, it's fun. now there's wind, you know, like right when you finish, now it's a nice breeze. Or maybe just because I'm facing the wind, I just kind of hove to and I'm just chilling. Now it's a beautiful sail back. Of course, now that the racing's over, it's perfect.